With Sapaad Direct, you can enjoy the convenience of tailoring your menu according to changes in inventory and stock, all while offering seamless QR ordering for your customers. In this video, we'll walk you through the steps of selecting menu items to ensure your menu is perfectly aligned with your restaurant's unique needs. Let's get started. First, head over to Setup. Navigate to Location Setup and select the specific restaurant location you want to apply the changes to. Click on Self-Ordering Systems, and from the options, click on Sapaad Direct. Scroll down to your menu items. Under the Availability section, you'll see a checkmark box next to each item. Simply click on the checkmark box for the items you want to include in your Sapaad Direct menu. Once you've made your selections, click on Save Category. You can repeat this process for other menu categories. If there are items you don't want on your Sapaad Direct menu, simply uncheck the box next to those items. Click Save Category to apply the changes. A pop-up window will appear to guide you back to Setup and navigate to Menu. Click Refresh POS and Online Menu to sync all your menu changes. And there you have it! You've just learned how to mark the availability of menu items on Sapaad Direct. Check out our video on adding marketing announcements on Sapaad Direct. Want to learn more? Click on the link below to book a demo.